Some movies make you genuinely curious about the world behind the story, and Humans in the Loop, directed by Aranya Saha, is one of those movies. So, the story is about Nehma, a woman from the Urao tribe who returns back to her native village in Jharkhand after her husband marries another woman. She brings along her 10-year-old daughter and 1-year-old son. The story is also largely about the human labor behind AI, the invisible rural women who power it, and the tension between real life and machine learning logic. What makes this movie more interesting is the fact that its roots lie in real world reportage, specifically journalist Karishma Mehrotra's article Human Touch, wherein she has talked about Adivasi women in Jharkhand who work at data annotation centers. So the movie is divided into three chapters, each of which talk about AI and draw parallels with Nehma's real world. Nehma works at a local firm where her job is to label large sets of images so AI systems can recognize movements, patterns, and objects. In Chapter 1, Nehma's boss gives the annotators a straightforward explanation of how their work affects the model. AI is like a child, it learns whatever you feed it. The film then shows a direct practical parallel in Nehma's own house. Her 1-year-old son is learning to walk. She observes how he balances and applies the same logic to her skeleton tracking task at work. Her annotations help the model learn to walk. Similarly, the other two chapters, like A Child Molds Like Clay and AI Bias, address how AI absorbs whatever input it receives, while drawing clear parallels to Nehma's own life. Generally, when we talk about AI, we see it as a high tech, urban, westernized concept. But a lot of the groundwork is happening in India, in rural areas. It is powered by Indian women. Humans in the Loop shows the backend of AI, uses storytelling to explain data sets, bias, and representation. It's not a flashy film, but it's important because it reveals the part of AI pipeline that rarely gets talked about. You can watch Humans in the Loop on Netflix.